trying to use that right. Trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left-right.
Nabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok. Dahil ito si Pasong Pirang, pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Pasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Pasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, baka kung sa iba yun, mawawarning nga si Manny dahil tinulak niya
Dalawang
pababa.
beses na yun. Okay, here we go once more.
Itong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive if he survives round number
Chino,
1.
ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya makatumba si Pasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together.
Pinito.
Ito,
Maagang
tinutugbog niya si
30-second warning, mga kaibigan, sa first round natin. And Pasang, hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand. Sneaked in that time.
In the second and third rounds, the fight's pace exploded. The Filipino's heavy punches repeatedly shook Fasan, even sending him to the canvas. It was as if Pacquiao saw the faces of his countrymen with every hit. Pure domination.
Manny Pacquiao, especially yung right jab, landing on the gloves of Pasang. Ito si Pasang now also showing a jab.
Tanda niyo, sinabi ni nitong si Pasang, si 3K Battery, na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect, pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Chino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Pasang. Although tinatamaan siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown. That is a knockdown. Definitely knockdown yun. Tinamaan si Pasang.
Sa nung tinamaan kinito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage. Barrage.
At nayanig po dito sa tagig. Ito po si Pasong 3K Battery. The first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might
Sino?
be coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yan pong kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand, which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Pasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi ba kagalaw, oh?
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman.
Sa
kung
dami
paano
ng suntok.
susuntok.
Sa dami ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sa rin depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing him with that left. Yan po si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. And so far, hindi pa siya makapag-landing ng isang matinding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bubagsak si Pasang, but Pasang is still standing. He's still fighting back.
Oh! Leading with the right.
Yan yung